Now see here, draw toolbar, arc, different types of arcs. Just write down last one also, continue. Last one is the continue. Again total you have 5 sets. Total you have 5 sets. First one is the 3 point. Next one is the start center set. Next one is the start end set. Then next one is the center start set. Last one is the continue. Total 5 sets. Okay. Now see here. My design contain 3 lines. My design contain 3 lines. Okay. Then you can create arc. Then you can create one arc. The arc passing through these 3 points, these 3 endpoints, these 3 endpoints. At that time, draw toolbar, arc, select the 3 point. Now this is the first point, second point, and this is the third reference point. Third reference point. Just write down this one first. 3 point. 3 point. Select first reference point. Next select second reference point. Second reference point. Next select third reference point. That is about the 3 point. Now see here. Next one. Again I am going to create one more arc. Now this time my reference is this point, this one and this one. For that purpose, arc, select 3 point, first point, second point, then again this is the third point. Okay, 3 reference points by selecting 3 reference points. Okay, that is about the use of 3 points. Then next one. Next one is what one?
Start center.
Start center. Now this is my some design. Again I am going to create, just next one is the, just you can create arc between this end point to this end point, this end point to this end point. At the time directly you can go with arc, start center, end, start center, end. First you can select the start point of the arc, next you can select the center of the arc, next you can select the end of the arc. Start first, this is my start point. Next one is the what? Center point. Then you can specify the end point. Now this is the end point of the arc. By selecting same 3 reference point. Again you can select same thing by using 3 reference point. But what type of points? Start point, center point, end point. That is the start, center, end. By using 3 point also you can prepare same thing. By using 3 point also you can prepare same thing. Now see here, just delete this one.
Compulsory 3 points.
Okay, next one is the just direct and go with 3 point. Now this is the first point. Again this is the second point. Again this is the, again what happened? Just I am going to select this one. What happened? Why it's taking mistake? Again why means the selection is only one direction. The selection is only one direction. By using 3 point you cannot prepare the one directional arcs. One directional arcs. For that purpose go with start, center, end. Now this is the start point, center point, end. The arc taking with respect to in this direction. Okay, start, center, end direction. Okay. Then next one, draw toolbar, arc. Next one is the start, center, angle. Again you can design arc by specifying the angle value. Now this is the start point. Then again this is the center. Then I am going to specify the angle. Now I am going to specify angle equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees is nothing but semicircle. Then again next, arc, start, center, angle, start point, center point. Now I am going to specify angle equal to 135 degrees. Just you can design with respect to angle. Okay. Then next one, arc. Next one is the
Length.
start, center, length. Length means what length? Chord length. Chord length. Start point, center point, then you can specify the length value. Now see here. Now this is nothing but this point to this point is nothing but chord. What is meant by tangent and what is meant by chord? Any line passing through single point of the circle, that is a tangent. Again any line passing through 2 points. Now this line is nothing but what type of line? Chord line. Now this is the tangent. Okay. Now I am going to specify this length. Just I am going to specify this length. What happened? We can generate arc with respect to this much. Okay. By following the arc with chord distance. Now I am going to specify the length equal to just you can specify the format. Just I am going to specify 200. Now actually this is from this point to this point is the 100. Again this one to this one is the 100. While designing this profile, now this end point to the center point is the 100. This center point to this one is the 100. Now just I am going to move it. Draw arc. Select the start, center, length, start point, center point. I am going to specify length equal to 200. 200 means it's taking up to last point. Then next one is the now this is the 3-point set. This is the start, center set. Start, center set. Start and center set. Again this is the start, end, angle. Now see here, start, end, angle. Selection process. Start point, end point. Then I am going to specify the angle 180 degrees. Simple semicircle. Then next one. Now we can see the difference here. Now arc, start, center, angle. Just move it to start, center, angle. Just select this one, center. Then I am going to specify 135 degrees. What happened? The arc taking from 0 to 135. Okay. Then again see same thing by designing start, end, angle. Now this is the start point, end point. Now I am going to specify 135 degrees. What happened? Again what happened? This is not a semicircle. This is not a semicircle. Okay. Why means the angle is 135 degrees. Again you can connect this end point to this end point by defining some angle. Now angle equal to 135. This point is nothing but center point of the arc. Okay. If center point matches to this point, then the curve turns into semicircle. Okay. Then next one, remaining simple. Start, end, direction with respect to the specified direction. Now start, end, direction. Start. This is the end point. Then I am going to specify the direction. Now I am going to design. Just I am going to connect one arc. Just I am going to connect this end point to this end point by using arc. Then my direction is 45 degrees direction. Now in this time I am going to specify the direction here. What is the direction? Currently 0. Then my direction is 45 and length equal to 377. Just I am going to connect the arc 300, angle equal to 45, enter. Again what happened? Different types of connection. Just it follow the directions and the length. Usage is very less for this design. Then next one, remaining simple. Start, end, radius. Select the start point, end point, specify the radius value. Simple thing. Next same, this entire one exactly opposite to first set. Start point first, then select the center, then you can select the end. Again this is the first, center, start, end. Just process of selection is, steps of selection is different. Okay. Then you can see the last one, continue. Then you can see the last one is the continue. Now just draw toolbar, 3 point. Now this is the start point of the arc. Again this is the end point of the arc. Then again I am going to apply the draw arc, select the continue. What happened? Again I am going to select the next point. Again you can apply. Then again you can design the arc continue. What happened? By using continue option you can create the continuous curve. You can create a continuous curve. That means the new curve start with end point of the arc. The new curve start with end point of the previous arc. Okay, that is the use of the continue. Simple thing. Okay, then next one, just write on the polyline. Command is PL.
Arc commands, yeah.
A. Arc command is A. Next one is the polyline. Command is PL. Polyline command is PL. What is the use of the polyline? By using polyline you can create continuous lines and arcs. Just like that. By using polyline, by using this command, you can create, by using this command you can create continuous lines and, by using this command you can create continuous lines and arcs. Just one more point. Now see here. Okay, first you can see here. Just L enter. L for what is the command for line? Line. L enter. First point, next point. Okay. Again I am going to enter PL. Polyline. Again select the first point, next points. Again what happened here? Same thing. What is the use of the line and what is the use of the polyline?
If you is at the line, sir, the line will be served to only one.
Now see here. Now by using, first difference is by using polyline you can create continuous lines and arcs. By using line option, by using line command you can create only lines. By using polyline you can create lines and arcs also. Again see here. Now after completion of the designing, now this is one type of design. Now this is the first design, designed by using line option. Again this is the design by using polyline. Just after completion of the design, we can select this one. Again what happened? The entire design having multiple entities. Okay, the entire design having multiple entities. Okay, then again I am going to select this one. What happened? The entire design act as a single entity. We can design anything by using polyline. The entire design act as a single entity. Again you can design anything by using line command. The entire design act as a multiple entities. Again single entity and multiple entity. Important for 3D design. Okay. Just again I will explain same thing in 3D. What is the use of the single entity and multiple entities? Okay. Just write. Just you can write on that point also. Note, we can design anything by using polyline. The entire design act as a single entity. The entire design act as a single entity. Okay. Now see here how to design arcs and different things. Okay. First PL enter. PL for polyline. Specify the start point of the polyline. After specifying the start point, you have different internal commands. First one is the arc, next one is the offbeat, next one is the length, next one is the undo, next one is the width option. Okay. Now directly I am going to, what is the current mode? Line mode. What is the current mode? Line mode. Just you can select the next point. What happened? Just you can create only lines. Why means the current mode is line mode. The current mode is line mode. Again you can convert line mode to arc mode. Just you can select internal command as a arc. Then line mode convert to arc mode. Then line mode convert to arc mode. Again all are the different types of arcs. Angle arc, center arc, close. You already know the close. What is the use of the close? Just you can close the existing point to starting point. Then again just wait for off width and width options. Remaining all are the similar to arcs. Again you can design arc by using angle method, center method, close, then again direction, then again line. Now what is the current mode? Current mode is the arc mode. Again you can select the line internal command.
The line
Again arc mode convert to line mode. Arc mode convert to line mode. Again you can select arc. What happened? Line mode convert to arc mode. Line mode converted to arc mode. Then again select line command. What happened? Arc mode convert to line mode. Okay, that is about the arc internal command. Again close means simple thing, existing point to close end point. Next one is the length. Length is nothing but you can design lines by using length value. Just you can specify the length directly. Okay. Okay. Again PL enter. Just start on the procedure. Up to this. PL enter. PL enter. Specify the first point. Specify the first point. Change the polyline settings by using internal commands. Next, change the polyline settings by using internal commands. Just write down the internal commands. Arc, off width, length, undo width. By using internal commands. Arc, off width, length, undo width option. Okay. So next, first I am going to set default method. Directly select the next points. Okay. By using arc internal command, what happened? You can convert arc mode to line mode. Just add first one is the arc. By selecting arc internal command, we can convert line mode to arc mode, line mode to arc mode, line mode to arc mode. You can convert line mode to arc mode. You can convert line mode to arc mode. Then you can select then you can design continuous arcs. Then you can design continuous arcs by selecting points. Then you can create continuous arcs by selecting points. Then you can create continuous arcs. Then you can create continuous arcs by selecting points. Okay. Now again you can convert arc mode to the next point. Again convert arc mode to line mode. We can select internal command as a line. We can select internal command as a line. Then you can convert arc mode to line mode. Again select again you can create continuous lines by selecting different points. Okay, by selecting different points. Okay, then next one, you already know the close option. Okay, and you already know the length option and undo option also. Then again you can see the off width and width options. Okay, now see here, just to PL enter. Now first to specify the start point. Then now what is the current line width? What is the current line width? 0.00. Line width equal to 0.0. Line width is nothing but you can specify the width of the line. You can change the width of the lines. Now I am going to use the width option. Again, we have two types of input parameters. We have two input modes for designing width lines. For designing width lines, you have two input modes. One is the width. Next one is the off width. What is the difference between circle radius, circle diameter? What is the difference between circle with radius, circle with diameter? Radius means we can specify the half of the diameter value. Diameter means specify the total 2 times of the radius. Same thing here also. Width means you can specify the total width of the line. You can specify the total width of the line. Off width means you can specify the half of the value. You can specify the half of the value. Just see here. Just I am going to specify the starting width. My starting width equal to 10. Starting width equal to 10. Again ending width also 10. Now select the first point, next points. Now what type of line? Currently this is a solid line, some width line. Okay. Again what is the width value? 10. Width value is 10. Again ending width also 10. Starting on both widths 10 value. Then again see here. Now next I am going to select the off width. Select the off width. What is the current existing value? 5.
Already we give 10.
Already the specified value is 10. That is the full width. While selecting off width value, it shows only off value. Then again I am going to change 2.5. Starting width is the 2.5. Ending also 2.5. Again select the points. What happened? Now this is the width.
10.
Total width 10. Again this one is how much?
Total width 5, sir.
Total width is 5. Off width equal to
2.5.
2.5. Off width equal to 2.5. Same thing. Circle with radius, circle with diameter. Circle with radius and circle with diameter. Okay now? Then again polyline. Just specify the start point. Then again you can apply the off width or width. You can select any one of them. By selecting off width you can specify only half of the values. By selecting width option you can specify the total value. Now this time I am going to move with different values. Starting equal to 10, ending equal to 20. Now see here. What happened? Starting equal to 10, ending equal to 20. Then again go to width. Starting equal to 20, ending equal to 40. Okay. Again width changes to starting 40, ending 80. Just enter. Again what happened? Polyline with respect to different width values. Width values. Okay, different width values. Okay. Just write down. Again same thing. Now see here. Just write one more time. PL enter. Start point. What is my settings? Current settings? 80. The default. Again your previous setting is nothing but your default width value. Then after completion of the usage, again you can assign to 0. After completion of your usage, again assign to 0. Then again I am going to convert to arc mode. Same thing. By using off width and width option, you can design width arcs. Again width changes to 10 value. Again ending also 10. Okay. Then again width changes to 10 and ending is 20. Different values. Then again width changes to starting 20, ending 80. Now see here. That's it. Okay. Again I am going to enter the polyline. Select the first point. What happened? Now polyline having some width. After completion of the usage, again you can assign to 0 value. Starting 0, ending 0. Now my requirement is starting is 0 and ending equal to some 10 value. For that time width starting 0, ending equal to 10. Now see here. Starting 0, ending equal to 10. Just write down this up to this. Next width option, width and off width both are same. Width means you can specify the total value. Of width means your input in the mode of above the width value. That is the difference only. PL enter. PL enter. Specify the first point of the polyline. 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 Next, select the internal command as a width or off width. Select internal command as a width or off width. Width means you can specify the total value. Off width means you can specify the half of the width value. Okay. Specify the starting width. Internal command as a width or off width. 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 Specify the starting width of the polyline. Specify the starting width of the polyline. Specify the starting width of the polyline. Enter. Specify the starting width of the polyline. Enter. Next. Specify the ending width of the polyline. Enter. Then select the points. Then select the points. Again this one, same procedure for arc also. Same thing with respect to arc also. That is about the width option. Okay. Next one is the, again this 3D polyline related to 3D. Just by using this one you can create only simple lines. By using design only simple lines, no internal commands. No internal commands. Okay. Just you can select this one, what happened? Same thing. Again, what is the use of 3D polyline means? Again you can design same thing in 3D. While designing 3D objects, we can use the 3D polyline. We can use the 3D polyline. Okay. While designing 3D objects, you can use the 3D polyline. Then next one, Polygon. Just write on the Polygon. Command is POL. Command is POL. Command is POL. Command is POL. Now, just what is meant by polygon? Polygon nothing but any closure geometry. Closure geometry, and again polygon contain sides. Again each side equal to, all sides are equal to each other. All sides are equal to each other. Now if number of sides 4 means square, all sides are equal. Then again 5 means pentagon, 6 hexagon, same thing. Again you can design polygon by two methods. You can design polygon by two methods. One is the edge method, next one is the center method. One is the edge method and next one is the center method. Edge method and center method. Okay. Now first you can see the edge method. Okay. POL enter. Okay. First you can specify the number of sides. Now the default one is the 4 sides. Now I am going to specify number of sides equal to 6. Number of sides equal to 6. Now the default method is the center method. The default method is the center method. Now again you can design by using edge method. For that purpose, first you can select the edge internal command. The default method is the center method. Again you can design polygon by edge method purpose. Edge method. First you can activate the edge method. Specify the first endpoint of the edge. First you can specify the first endpoint of the edge. This is the first endpoint of the edge. Then again you can specify the direction of the second end. Currently 0 direction. Again same setting, same polar settings here. Same polar setting. Next one is 45. Okay. Same thing. First you can specify the direction. Then you can specify the length of the edge. Then you can specify the, now my length equal to 20. All sides 20 and number of sides equal to 6. Nothing but hexagon with side equal to 20. Simple thing. POL enter. First you can specify the number of sides. After that, just activate the internal command as a edge. Why means the default method is the center method. For that purpose, for designing edge method purpose, activate the internal command. First endpoint of the edge. Now this is the first endpoint of the edge. Then again you can specify the direction as per the requirement. Now how to set the directions? Directly polar, right click, settings, specify the increment angle 30, just OK. Then see here 0 direction. Next tracking is 30, then again 60. Okay, specify the direction, then you can specify the edge length 50, enter. Okay, just write down this one first. Polygon, first statement. We can design polygon by two methods. 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 First one is the we can design polygon by two methods. Polygon by two methods. First one is the center method. Next one is the edge method. Center method is a default method. Center method is default method. Again, the default setting method is center method. Okay. Now write down POL enter. POL enter. POL enter. Specify the number of sides. Specify the number of sides as per the requirement. Again, the minimum number of sides is 3. Maximum equal to 10024. 10024. Minimum number of sides equal to 3. Maximum equal to 10024. Okay. 1024. 1024. 1024. Okay. Minimum equal to 3. Maximum equal to 1024. Minimum equal to 3. Maximum equal to 1024. Okay. Specify the number of sides. Enter. Enter. Next, select the first edge point. Specify 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 the first edge point. Next, specify the direction of the second edge. 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 Specify the length of the edge. Enter. 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 Okay. That is about the edge method. Now specify the this one. Okay. Now one more point. After specifying the number of sides, select internal command as a edge. Select internal command as a edge. Select internal command as a. Then next one, center method. Next one is the center method. Okay. No problem. Next one is the center method. First I am going to design one circle with radius value. Circle with radius value. Okay. Now see here, center radius. First specify the center point of the circle. Then you can specify the radius value. Radius equal to 50. My radius equal to 50. First I am going to design one circle. Then I am going to enter the polygon. Specify the number of sides. Now this time changes to 8. 8 means octagon. Okay. Then I am going to select the center point of the circle. After that again you have two methods. One is the inscribe. Again next one is the circumscribe. Inscribe means your polygon generating inside of the circle. Circumscribe means polygon generating outside of the circle. Just I am going to select the inscribe. Again you can specify the same radius value. What is the radius value? 50. Again what happened? just you can generate inside of the circle, inside of the circle. Now see here, what is the use of this one? What is the use of the this one? Our input value in the mode of radius. Our input value in the mode of radius. Now see here. Now my input in the mode of radius. Now radius equal to 50. Then again number of sides equal to same 80. Input in the mode of radius value. Only simple radius value. At that time you can use the circling method. Now our input in the mode of edge length. Just assume input in the mode of edge length some 20. Input in the mode of edge length. Again input in the mode of radius. Input in the mode of edge means you can select edge. You can design polygon by using edge method. Again input in the mode of radius means we can design polygon by selecting circle method, center method. Okay, center method. Again the reference taking with respect to inside. Then again next one, same polygon, POL enter, specify the number of sides. Then you can directly select the center point of the circle. Now this time I am going to choose circumscribe. Circumscribe means outside of the circle. Again you can specify the same radius value, 50, enter. What happened? The polygon generating outside of the circle. Again this one inside of the circle. This is outside of the circle. This is the inside of the circle. That is about the center method. Just add it. First design one circle by specified radius value. Center method. First design one circle. First design one circle. First design one circle. First design one circle by specified radius value. First design one circle by specified radius value. By specified radius value. By specified radius value. Next, POL enter. POL enter. Specify the number of sides. Enter. Specify the number of sides. Enter. Specify the number of sides. Enter. Next one. Select existing circle center point. Select existing circle center point. Select existing circle center point. Okay. Select inscribe or circumscribe. Next. Select inscribe or circumscribe, anything as per the requirement. Inscribe means inside generation. Circumscribe means outside generation. Select inscribe or circumscribe as per the requirement. As per the requirement. Next, specify the radius value. Specify the same radius value. Specify the same radius value. Enter. That's it. Okay. That is about the
Center man.
okay. Next one is the just write down donut. Command is do. Donut. How to represent solid regions? How to represent sections? Just see here. Now see here. Cap. This cap having cross section. What type of cross sections? Circular cross section. Again this one having inside circle. Again outside circle. Okay. Now inside circle, outside circle. Again this one having some thickness. Just I am going to cut in this location. Just I am going to cut in this location. How to represent solid region? By using hatching or filling. By using hatching or filling. By using donut, you can directly create the solid circle. You can directly create the solid circle. By using donut, we can create the do enter. Specify the inside diameter. Inside equal to 100. Specify the outside diameter 150. Okay, this is one donut. Just click here. Now what is the current representation of the solid region? What is the current representation of the solid region? Fill region. Fill. Now this is the fill region. Okay. Now I am going to represent solid region by using hatching. Hatching. For that purpose, first we can deactivate the fill option. Fill. Again fill. Enter. What is the fill mode? Fill mode currently on condition. Just I am going to set off. Then again I am going to design donut. Just you can design the donut. dy enter. Specify the inside and outside. Now see here. Now this time what happened? We can represent solid region by using hatch lines. Now this is nothing but by using fill. We can represent solid region by using fill, nothing but shading. Just you can close the entire thickness region by using fill by shading. That is about the donut. Donut is useful for only circular objects. Okay. Directly you can represent fill or hatchings for circular objects, for nothing but hollow circular objects. Okay. Just write this one. dy enter. Just write down the statement first. By using donut, by using this command, we can create solid circles. Okay. dy enter. Specify the inside diameter, enter. dy enter. Specify the inside diameter, enter. Specify the inside diameter, enter. Specify the outside diameter, enter. Specify the location for donut. Specify the location of the donut. Specify the location of the donut. Next, the default solid representation is the default section. The default solid section representation is fill region. The default section representation is the default section representation is fill mode. The default section representation is fill mode. First, just cancel the fill first. For representing solid section, for representing section in the mode of hatch lines. Section in the mode of hatch lines. First disable the fill mode. For that purpose, enter command as a fill. Enter command as a fill. Set to no condition. Set to no. Again, set as means donut with fill. Again, fill no means donut with hatch lines. Okay, that is about the donut. Okay, just I am closing here. Any simple. Okay, write down the table. What is the use of the table? Again, command is total name table. What is the use of the table? Now, after completion of the design, you can enter entire data in the format of table. That is nothing but bill of materials. For mechanical purpose, bill of materials. Again, for civil purpose, again you can represent the plan details. Number of window sizes and everything. You can mention door sizes and everything. For that purpose, first I am going to create the table. Just select the table. Simply you can specify the columns and column width. Specify the number of columns and column width. Next, specify the rows and row height. Just OK. Now this is the table. Specify the location of the table just in this location. Then you can write the text. Okay. Then how to design the text? Simply you can double click on the box just to design that text. Again this entire thing similar to MS Office. Just okay. Again color changing or anything. Again select this one. Just design the text. Okay. Again select double click on the cell. Double click in the cell. Just you can change the color and everything. Just okay. Okay. Again you have one more thing, that is the format table style. By using table style you can create the different types of tables. Again you can change the table properties. I will explain in after completion of parametric toolbar. Okay. For practice purpose, directly go with draw toolbar, table, specify the columns and column width, specify the rows and row height, just okay. Specify the location for table, then you can design the text. How to design the text? Simply double click on the cell, table cell, edit the text. Okay, that's it. Just like that. Table enter.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక రో కొంచెం ఒక హైట్లో రావాలి
అన్ని సెట్టింగ్స్ లో ఉంటాయి. మొత్తం చేంజ్ చేస్తాం. Table enter. Table to command. Table enter. Specify the number of rows and row height, row width. Specify the rows, number of rows, comma row width. Specify the number of rows, comma row width. Similarly columns and column height. Okay. Okay. Next, specify the location for table. Specify the location for table. Specify the location for table. Next one. Specify the location for table. Next. Then enter the text. In table cells. Table cells by double clicking the cell. Double click on the cell. Double click in the cell. Okay, that's it. That is about the table. Okay, just I'm closing here. Okay.